Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Ito na po at ihatid po namin sa inyo itong laban ni Pinoy boxer Jason Mama kontra dito kay former IBF Flyweight World Champion Angel Ayala ng bansang Mexico. So ang laban na to ay naganap po ngayong araw mga kaboksing, May 22, 2026. At ito po ay 10-round non-title bout sa Super Flyweight Division.
Mexico City, right here in Mexico City, up against Jason Mama of the Philippines.
Start of round 1 po tayo.
In the white.
So ang ating kababayan po na si Jason Mama ay ito pong may suot na black trunks, at ang kanyang kalaban naman na si Angel Ayala ay nakasuot po ng white trunks at mayroong suot na white gloves, samantalang ang ating kababayan ay black gloves po ang kanyang suot. So mas matangkad po si Angel Ayala ng bahagya, at medyo malaki po ang mas malaki po ang katawan, mas malapad.
Just short with 1-2 there.
Itong ating kababayan ay one-time world title challenger po ito. Itong si Jason Mama. Although underdog sa labang ito ang ating kababayan, ay maganda din naman itong kanyang kartada. Si Jason Mama ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 21 panalo, may 3 talo, may 1 draw, at mayroong 10 panalo by way of knockout. Samantalang itong si Angel Ayala na Meksikano ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 18 panalo, may nag-iisa lang natalo, at may 8 panalo by way of knockout. At matatandaan po na tinalo po nitong Meksikano na si Angel Ayala si Pinoy boxing prospect Dave Apolinario via 6th round knockout noong August 10, 2024. At ngayon ay isa na namang Pinoy itong kanyang makakasagupa sa ibabaw ng luna.
Kind of 1-2-1 and finished on the left hand, which did land from Ayala, not with any great heat. Jabs to the body.
Good counter to the body coming from Jason Mama.
For the most part in this opening round, although not exclusively, Mama just popping out that lead left hand.
So wala pang masyadong malalakas na mga suntok ang binibitawan itong dalawang boksingero.
And you see the kind of wingspan he's got there, Ayala, when he really extends. He's got a long reach on him.
Good left coming from Jason Mama. Bagyang tumama po yon. 10 seconds before the end of round 1 mga kaboksing.
Too much has landed. It's been Ayala who's looked like the boss. He's
Good round for both fighters. Start of round 2.
and referee just
So tingnan natin
mixed up a little bit more. There's some
kung magpasabog na itong dalawa. At ayun,
possible
tumama ang left hand ni Angel Ayala.
usual in the UK, for example, to see a referee tell fighters to engage more. It does happen, but only if they're being very circumspect. The
Good right
opening round was
coming from
one of those.
Jason Mama. Ito po mga kaboksing ay 10 round non-title bout sa Super Flyweight Division. Ito po ang laban ni Jason Mama na isang Filipino boxer kontra dito sa Mexicanong si Angel Ayala. Nice left coming from Angel Ayala.
Go a little bit.
At nagsigawan na ang kanyang mga tagahanga na kanyang mga kababayan. Ang laban na to mga kaboksing ay sa Mexico po ginaganap.
Right hand got got through off the back of the left hook, but
Good one to again coming from Angel Ayala.
through it, Mama
At sinusubukan gumanti dito ng ating kababayan. Ayun,
lands a right.
tumama po ang
He's got to get
2 punches sa ulo.
anything done.
Galing sa ating kababayan at nagpatama din siya sa katawan ng kanyang kalaban.
Doesn't want to give away his natural advantages too much here and try and play to the crowd. He'll know what they want, but he has got the ability and the tools to keep this long.
Good to the body coming from Ayala. Tinamaan po doon ng ating kababayan. Ayun,
It's a good
tinamaan na naman ng kaliwa. Subalit may ganti din ang ating kababayan.
gestures.
Kumakounter.
And out, and this is good stuff from Ayala. Whips in the uppercut, but is short with it.
So walang masyadong jab itong ating kababayan, ano? Medyo matipid po siyang magbato. At mukhang inaabangan niya ang mga suntok nitong si Angel Ayala para i-counter.
Range he could keep this at.
Good to the body again coming from Angel Ayala.
The body was a sickening sounding shot. A shake of the head from Mama, but he got good leverage on that.
Nag-miss po ang right hand na yon.
This Fryer.
Malakas pa naman yon.
First round on intent more than actual delivery, but
Good defense coming from Jason Mama.
good.
So parehas pong agresibo itong dalawang boksingero. At although mas maraming suntok na binibitawan si Angel Ayala, ay nakaabang din naman itong ating kababayan sa mga gustong ibitaw ng kanyang kalaban. It was the end of round 2 mga kaboksing.
Round.
Start of round 3.
Third Ayala in the white.
At sa round 2 ay unti-unting
Mama's been trying
kumokonek ang mga body shots nitong si Angel Ayala dito sa ating kababayan. May mga counter shots naman itong si Jason Mama, pero hindi gaano malinis ang kanyang mga suntok.
round number 1. A stab to the body there with the lead left hand of Jason Mama. He's
So tingnan po natin sa round 3.
southpaw. Ayala as well.
So kita natin ang respeto nitong Meksikano sa ating kababayan. Talagang ingat na ingat siya. Hindi basta-basta bumibitaw ng kanyang mga suntok. Good job coming from Angel Ayala, at medyo tumama din naman ang ating kababayan doon.
Just off throwing the jab himself.
Yun. Nice left coming from Jason Mama. So pa-jab-jab po itong si Angel Ayala, at mukhang gustong mag-set up ng kombinasyon. Tinitsimpuhan lang na magkaroon ng butas sa depensa nitong ating kababayan.
Just moving behind the jab there, Ayala, trying to throw that right hand, but Mama had stepped off.
Nag-miss po ang uppercut nitong ating kababayan. Nice jab to the body coming from Ayala. May ganti din naman ang ating kababayan sa upper section ng kanyang kalaban.
Leading off for the hook there, Ayala, and then again just trying
Nice right coming from Jason Mama.
a second time. And this third round, quite similar to the
Again, tumama po ang kanyang left hand.
10,
Pero hindi niya po binibitawan itong kanyang right hand para
all that.
mag-set up sana ng kombinasyon.
I think Ayala feels like he's doing enough. He's won those first couple of rounds, and
Mabilis pong nagbabakpidal itong si Angel Ayala.
to make things happen more
Nice uppercut coming from Ayala.
this third round. Mama, you can't just let these rounds slip by, or you get to the halfway stage and all of a
So sa tingin ko hindi masyadong
you find yourself a long way behind.
jab itong ating kababayan dahil nakaabang siya. Nice one to combination
Sets it
coming from Jason Mama. Nakaabang po siya sa mga suntok na bibitawan itong kanyang kalaban para sana magbitaw ng kanyang mga counter punches. It was the end of round 3, mga kaboksing. Start of round 4. So far, wala pang bumabagsak
For me, Mama,
at
make a mark in this round.
parehas nag-a-adjust pa ang dalawa para sa kanilang tamang mga distansya upang
Full shot.
tumama ng accurate ang kanilang mga punches. So patuloy na sa tingin ko ay medyo nangangapa pa po itong dalawang boksingero.
Again, just
Nice right coming from Jason Mama.
he wants to see them let their hands go a bit more, I think.
Yun,
And it's the body.
tumama po sa katawan ang left hand nitong
Was
si Angel Ayala.
it. Mama again, just looking for that right hand over the top. He grabbing himself a room a little bit, moved it.
So talagang mas matangkad at itong si Angel Ayala.
His head
At mukhang nag-complain doon ang ating kababayan ng
some
clash of heads.
cut there is and not
Mabuti na lang at walang nasugatan.
my are
So ang laban na to mga kaboksing ay sa Mexico po ito, Mexico City. Baluarte po nitong si Angel Ayala.
steps south.
At nitong si Angel Ayala mga kaboksing ay ito po yung tumalo kay Dave Apolinario via 6th round knockout noong taong 2024. Parehas pong magandang kartada ng dalawang boksingerong ito. Nag-miss po ang kanan, I mean left ni
With a shoulder left hand on the
Angel Ayala at tumama po naman ang suntok ni
left hand to the body.
Jason Mama. At ito,
The Mama a little bit here.
umaarangkada si
Thanks there for Mama is
Angel Ayala at napapasandal po sa lubid itong ating kababayan.
on the ropes. That was nice from him.
At may mga punches po sa katawan ang nabinitawan itong si Angel Ayala. So far, mukhang wala namang effect doon. Para sa ating kababayan, ang ano lang doon ay hindi po nag-counter si Jason Mama sa mga punches na yon. Good exchange. Good to the body coming from
There from
Angel Ayala.
Mama just trying to spring in from distance there.
Mabilis din namang gumante ang ating kababayan pero mukhang nailagan yun.
That was a good left hand right into the pin.
1-2 combination to the body again coming from Ayala.
I think these body shots might start to take a little
It
bit.
was the end of round 4, mga kaboksing. Start of round 5. So halfway na po tayo. Dahil itong laban na to ay scheduled for 10 rounds bout. Tingnan natin sa round na ito.
The crowd a bit more of a spectacle here. There's nothing wrong with this fight. It's been a decent enough watch right from the very start. But
So punteriya talaga ni Angel Ayala ang
of the world where
katawan nitong ating kababayan. Sayang at nag-miss po ang left hand doon ni Jason Mama.
with that front foot,
I think kailangan ni Jason Mama na medyo lapitan pa itong kanyang kalaban. para mapatamaan. Yun! Bagsak ang ating kababayan. Tinamaan po ng isang right hand at mukhang sa katawan.
Time the referee
Binanatan.
is going to count
Wala na. Bagsak ang ating kababayan.
over, and that is a fact.
Kombinasyon yun, ano? Isang malakas
He damaged
na suntok
the ground, and he doubled up the
sa ulo ng ating kababayan. Right hand po ang tumama at mukhang binitawan
was unable to get
ni Ayala ang kanyang kaliwang suntok na tumama naman sa katawan nitong ating kababayan. At ito,
to
tinitingnan po ng mga ring physician itong ating kababayan. At talagang fatal po
engage in that floating
ang pagkaka-knockout nitong ating kababayan.
medical attention. A worry.
Tingnan natin ang replay, mga kaboksing.
It's the only thing you can do in that situation. The medics were very quickly. A distraction more than anything else for Mammoth.
At bumagsak nga po itong ating kababayan.
Right-handed round the back of the guard.
Ang bilis ng mga kombinasyon na yon.
Then the left-handed.
At bagsak po
That was very, very well done.
itong ating kababayan. Napakagandang execution
Get up, but then
mula kay Angel Ayala.
shot. I've never felt it, thankfully.
So sa laban ni Angel Ayala kontra kay Dave Apolinario ay pinabagsak din niya ang Pinoy
Game is
na si Apolinario via
actually.
6th round
It's been a
knockout. Itong si Jason Mama ay pinabagsak naman niya sa round 5 ng kanilang bakbakan.
finished.
So, pakinggan po natin, antayin po natin ang official announcement ng pagkapanalo nitong si Angel Ayala.
Direction.
And the round number 5 with a time of 51 seconds. And round number 5, he is the winner by way of knockout. And on board for knockout, Angel Ayala.
So ayun mga kaboksing, panalo po si Angel Ayala via 5th round knockout laban dito sa ating kababayan na si Jason Mama. So congratulations sa Mexicanong si Angel Ayala. At of course, bounce back naman po sa ating kababayan na si Jason Mama. So maraming salamat po mga kaboksing. Hanggang dito na lamang tayo.
Be back. It is.
At hanggang sa muling bakbakan ng ating mga kababayan. At abangan nyo po dito sa ating
to get to.
Facebook page, Generang Sports TV, at sa YouTube channel, ang mga latest at classic boxing fights. Maraming salamat po mga kaboksing. Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Inirang Sports TV.